Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings. So today, before we start the cards, I feel the color for today is yellow. A lot of solar plexus cleansing is needed, is what I feel when I was shuffling the cards actually. So the color will be yellow, and in the morning, if you can have bath with a little bit of rose water added to your water, so that the energies get refreshed, and also in the evening after 6:30, if you can burn 5 lamps, separate lamps, in each lamp one wick, so 5 lamps, uh, for Ma Durga, that she is blessing you with all the happiness and she's giving you all the good things in your life. That is what I felt when I was shuffling the cards. So let's see what is the first card which is coming. That's a beautiful card, Kali Kalmasanashini. So let's just pick off one more card. I'm just drawn to pick the first one. So I'll just go by the first one. The Karma of Kali. So let's see what these cards are trying to tell us. So now coming to the Kali Kalmasa, she is a person who works with basically the deepest desires of ours. She has the power to help us in manifestation. She comes to us when the time has come that we need divine support and we need to work with only divine energies. Though we have the power, though we have the energy to handle situations, still at times the divine intervention is needed for us to achieve what we want. So she comes only at that point of time when the divine intervention is needed. And basically, when she comes, it is that you should surrender the things to the divine, that they know the best way to give you solution. So instead of you breaking your head over what solution has to be taken, I would suggest, if you get lotus in your market or in your nearby places, just pick up a lotus and keep it in the Devi's photo, whichever Devi you have in your puja room, and just tell her that I surrender everything to you. Because the next card also, basically, sometimes we get confused between pleasure, between our needs, and between our behavioral things and how we react to things in life. So basically, when this card comes, it's basically that the goddess is asking you to relax and just leave everything to her. So it's more like a reassurance card. She's saying that just embrace the happiness of life that you have. And I feel she's just saying that just surrender everything to her and just be open to receive her blessings. So today you can also do one thing. You can chant Om Krim Kalikaya Namaha, Kaliye Namaha, sorry, Om Krim Kaliye Namaha, Om Shrim Mahalakshmiye Namaha. I repeat, Om Krim Kaliye Namaha, Om Shrim Mahalakshmiye Namaha. So maybe by chanting this, I would suggest to chant it for 21 times. And if you're going to offer the lotus, the way I had said, you can keep the lotus in your hand and chant this 21 times and then offer it in the feet of the Devi, asking her for divine intervention and blessings so that you will get clarity and you will be able to sort out your issues. Jai Ma Kali.